Do you want your cash flowing into your bank accounts? Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to live comfortably in the future? You better start working on your passive income from now on. Make money work for you. You want to know how to do it? Watch this video until the end because we will show you the best cash flowing assets for passive income in 2022. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. A passive income can be a terrific strategy to help you generate extra cash flow. Whether you're running a side business or just wanting to acquire a little extra money each month, especially as inflation surges across the economy. If you suddenly lose your job, decide to take time off work, or see inflation continue to decrease your money supply, passive income can help you make more money when things are good and get you by in those situations. If you can generate a steady source of passive income, you can retire early and still have cash flowing in your bank account. An additional source of security comes from a passive income. Likewise, if you're concerned that you won't be able to save enough of your income to fulfill your retirement objectives, growing wealth through passive income may be a method that appeals to you as well. If you want to have a consistent flow of money, here are the best passive income that you can do in 2022. Number 1. Property rental. If you own any property that is not being used, including a whole house, a vacant lot, your parking space, and even your equipment, rent it out. By renting it out, you can generate rental revenue. If you wish to rent out residences, you can make it a genuinely passive income by hiring a property manager so that you don't have to deal with tenants directly. It's a little less passive to rent out unused space in your house, garage, or car. Even so, it just takes a short while to manage. Number 2. Publish ebooks. If you are knowledgeable or skilled in a particular field, writing and selling an ebook on the topic can help you earn a good passive income. Writing the ebook will take time, but publishing, marketing, and selling your ebook are all quite simple using Kindle Direct Publishing. This idea for passive income is great because it doesn't cost anything to start it. You just need to compose your ebook, publish it using a free ebook publishing platform, and decide how much to charge for it. If your ebook is helpful, you'll start making a decent passive income even if you only charge $1 or $2. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers advertise a third party's product by placing a link to it on their website or social media profile. The most well-known affiliate partner may be Amazon, but other well-known companies include eBay, Awin, and Share a Sale. And for those trying to build a following and advertise their products, Instagram and TikTok have grown into huge platforms. You can now be an affiliate marketer on TikTok too. You might also think about building an email list to promote your blog or point readers to other services and goods they might find interesting. Number 4. Sell photos. The most obvious place to start a passive business may not be selling photography online, but you may be able to grow your efforts if you can sell the same images repeatedly. Working with a company like Jetty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy could help you do that. The platform must first authorize you before you may license your images for usage by anyone who downloads them. The platform will then compensate you each time someone uses your image. Number 5. ATMs or vending machines. Have you ever wondered who owns ATMs or vending machines? You might be the one. An ATM can be purchased or rented and installed either on a site that you own or at someone else's. Each time the ATM is utilized and a fee is paid by the user, you will profit. Even though you'll need to restock the ATM, you can engage a company or a reliable individual to accomplish it for you. Another fantastic concept for passive income is vending machines. Simply fill it with goods you've bought in bulk to cut costs and put it somewhere where people will see it. Similar to an ATM, you'll have to outsource restocking and split revenues with the owner of the space where you want to put your vending machine. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now, let's continue. Number 6. Create an app. You've certainly seen a pattern by now. Producing goods frequently results in passive income. Within the context of mobile software, this is much more true. You might want to consider developing applications as a passive revenue source if you're a developer or coder. There are two ways to do it. People who want to purchase your app can pay for it first. Second, you can monetize your software by making it accessible and making money with advertisements. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Lending money to people is what is meant by peer-to-peer lending. You can easily do it with your friends or co-workers. In exchange for helping others with their financial needs, you will receive your original investment plus interest. Be careful with this investment and be sure to have something as collateral. By collateral means, you will get something from them and return it when they have fully paid their debt. Number 8. Invest in stocks. When examining the sources of income of the world's wealthiest individuals, stocks have certainly played a significant role in their large, limitless bank accounts. While buying stocks is a relatively passive activity, the research that goes into it is active. Your value at your 9-to-5 job may not even come close to what you can make passively through stock investing. Consider this passive income idea then, if you keep up with shifts in the markets and industry. Number 9. Create and sell online courses. Building passive revenue through the creation of an online course is fantastic. Although building the course requires some upfront work, various online learning systems simplify designing and delivering your course. You'll find plenty of people prepared to pay to access your content, whether you sell it through your own website or online learning platforms. Number 10. Create a YouTube channel. The passive revenue source that never stops is YouTube. You may generate recurring income from your YouTube channel through sponsored videos and ad revenue. The key to building a successful YouTube channel is consistently producing new videos over an extended period. Make sure that the videos you publish are interesting and of high quality. The benefits of passive income will ultimately start to pay off if you continue. Everyone should consider creating a passive income source. Whatever stage of life you're in, having extra cash on hand makes life a little bit simpler. You'll have plenty of chances to make money with little effort if you use these passive income suggestions. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you want to start earning passive income? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.